what we've got going on here is that we have 7 different balls, and we're going to distribute them into 5 different boxes, A, B, C, D, and E. So first of all, here's what I see going on. As soon as I see that, here's box A, box B, box C, box D, right? If you have something that you can draw, do that. So here's A, B, C, D, and E. And then what we've got are 7 balls that we're going to put into these boxes. And here's how we're going to do this. We want 1 ball into box A and 2 balls into B. So we're going to take our 7 balls here and put 1 into A and 2 into B. Now here's how I'm going to count this. In box A, I can put any one of those 7. So it's going to be 7. I can put any one of the 7 balls into A, but I'm going to make it look like this when I count it. Out of those 7 balls, I'm going to choose any one of them. Now that's just a 7. Then I'm going to go to box B. And in box B, there are what? There's 6 balls left, and I want any 2 of them. It's not just going to be a 6. I can put any one of those 2 remaining balls into box B. So there's 7 balls from which I can choose. Choose any one of them to put into box A. That's 7. It's just a 7. Out of 7, choose 1. Then for box B, we want to put 2 of them in here. So it's not going to be 6 times 5. I'm just going to pick 2 of the any 6 remaining and drop them into here. So out of the 6 remaining balls, put in 2. Now, in order to keep track of what I got here, I'm going to actually try to draw these balls here. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls. And what we've done here is we've taken one of them, doesn't have to be this one, but out of any of these 7, we picked one and we dropped it into A. Okay, so A now has 1 ball in it. Maybe it's that one. Then we picked 2 balls. Doesn't matter which ones. Maybe it's, maybe it's this one and this one. It doesn't matter. But we're going to take these 2 balls and drop those into B. Just any of those 2 balls. So this could be 1 here and 1 here. That's what we've got so far. Now, what about, okay, so we've taken that one out, or any other 2. But the point is we have 4 left. Now, what we could do is take that first ball. Now, that first ball, that could go into C, D, or E. Now, C, D, and E can contain any number of balls, right? A has to have 1, B has to have 2, but these could have any number. So we could take this ball here and drop it into C, D, or E. So we have 3 choices for that. So let's multiply this by 3. All right, so now maybe we've dropped that ball into a box. Now we come to the next ball, maybe this one here. So where could that one go? Well, that one can also go into C, D, or E, right? We could take this ball here, drop it here, or here, or here. So we have 3 choices for that one. Then, let's see. We dropped that ball in. So now how many choices do we have for this ball here? So maybe it's this ball. That could go into C, or we could drop it into D or in E. So again, there's 3 choices for that one. And then this last ball here, that can go into C or D or E. So again, there's 3 choices for that one. And that's all of our choices, and there's our answer. And when I computed that out, if I got it right this time, I got 8505.